How's everybody this morning?
Morning.
We've had a fantastic night in that little camp park up. Highly recommended. So peaceful. Claverrock,
yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. So peaceful. Such a lovely little spot. Lots of nice walks from there. Great for dog walks. Lovely castle to go and visit, which is really stunning. So we've had a really good night and we've just left. It's 8 o'clock and we've just left and we're hoping to go down to
The Boathouse Cafe.
the Boathouse Cafe in Glencapel. As we understand, they do a nice Scottish breakfast. So we shall let you know what that's like. I understand from Park for Night that there are 5 spaces down there for motorhomes, so you can park over there at night as well. So when we get there, we'll have a look around and bring you with us. See you in a bit. This is us coming up to the Boathouse Cafe and Shop. Wow. Now this is a park up with a beautiful view. We have one space left that we've pulled into. There are other car parking spaces behind us, which some people are parking on overnight, but I understand you have to be away from those when the cafe opens. Let's have a wander around. So I believe this is a little cafe that we're going to be going into. Oh, beautiful morning. This is the view. Absolutely stunning. And as I say, there's several vans parked up there. But the ones at this side need to have left by the time the cafe opens, which is fair enough, I suppose. We're just going to wander up here and see if we have to pay. You can see there's the Neath Hotel there. So if you don't have a camper van or a motorhome, you can still come here and enjoy the sights. As I say, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just looking at this sign here. Motorhome and camper vans, please read. Between daytime hours of 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. these parking bays are for cars only. So these ones here are for the cafe really. But they do provide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces for motorhomes and camper vans. They can stay overnight. So this is your information about parking, which personally I think is quite fair. And they do ask for donations, which again is very fair. This little spot also has toilets, which obviously are useful to caravanners and motorhomers. Just going to have a little walk around. Did you notice, Stephen, what time the cafe opens? We'll walk around here first. How's that for a view? What a view! It's beautiful. There's a little seat there, Stephen, to sit on, look, to overlook the water. Beautiful.
Boathouse Cafe. It's very pleasant in here, overlooking the River Nith. I'm going to pick up the van is just out there, and I'll just have a little scan around.
So we've just ordered our breakfast. Very excited. They've got, it's coming with haggis and tatty scones. Only thing it doesn't come with is square sausage. It's link sausage, so I don't know what's happened, but they should have square sausage. But it sounds lovely. It's called the Boathouse, the full Boathouse breakfast. So we'll let you see what it looks like in a minute when it comes.
Breakfast over and done with.
That was superb.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Feel absolutely stuffed. Highly recommended. Absolutely beautiful it was. Very friendly to staff as well. So this is the Riverside Dumfries.
Continue on A701. In 1.25 miles, arrive at Lettershaw's campsite, on the left.
This is our park up for the night. Where are we, Stephen?
Lettershaw's campsite.
Lettershaw's campsite. It's a camping and caravan club CL in Lanarkshire.
Come on. Come on, just stand on the grass. Very good at hiking, are you? Hey?
I'm learning.
for that. I love you more. I'm pulling petals of a flower, guessing who has lost their power. You say me and I say you. I'd like to tell you the truth. Baby, it's what I do. Baby, it's oh so cruel. But you won't ever be alone. I can get a little angry, be a little dangerous.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We've had a lovely stay here. We had a beautiful walk along the river yesterday. We're at Lettershaw's Caravan and Camping Club CL site. £15 a night cash, and you have toilets, showers, waste disposal and bins, EHU. So yeah, really good, and very peaceful. Didn't hear a thing last night. We went out, did a bit of walking yesterday, and then did a bit of editing and videos for you guys. So we're about to hit the road. We're going to drive for about an hour, and we'll let you know in a bit where we're going. See you in a bit.